Jyoti Murgali. I am going to be your math teacher. How are you all? All are fine? Okay. Nowadays or year we suffering COVID-19. We suffering there COVID-19. So what you do? Please follow your COVID-19's rule. COVID-19's rule. Okay? Wear the mask, sanitizing the hands, stay at home. Okay? Now, we had got lots of holiday. Yes or no? Due to COVID-19. So, now you like come to the school? School should be open? Yes or no? Same answer. Yes. Okay. You want to come to school, na? So, we all have to pray to the God. We have all pray to the God that school should be open very soon. That school should be open soon. So, till now, we all should study through online classes. So, please children concentrate or studies. Concentrate on studies. Okay? Now I say you importance of maths. Now I say you importance of maths. Math is help us understand the world, provide an effective way of building mental discipline. Building mental discipline. Math encourage logical reasons of thinking, problem solving ability. In regular problem solving ability have also maths, even effective communication. When all of you know maths in addition, subtraction, multiplication, okay, and when you go to the shop, anyone purchase, that time what to do the addition, give to note, and shopkeeper give to you money, that time what to do, how many you give, how many your bill, and subtraction you use there na. So there is your effective communication skill is developed there na, communication skill. Okay, maths play a vital role in aspect of life where everybody matter. Everybody, what I say, every day everybody matter. When one thing is there, when we wake up in the morning, that time first we see the time, how much time on the clock. That one we learning mathematics na. Okay, time, that one of the part we learn in the math. When you come to the school, that time also you check your time na. Oh, there is 9 o'clock, there is 8:30, I want to go to school. That time also you see the time. Okay. When you see the serial, oh now 7 o'clock, in Marathi serial, which one you see? Your grandmother. 7 o'clock, Balu Mama, 7:30 na. That time, what you say? Oh, 7:30. Now it's time of Balu Mama. So, you see there na. Okay. That one is another whatever you see. But what I say, time also coming in the maths. In regular life, we 80 to 90% every day we use their math. When we go to the kitchen, we are in kitchen, someone cook, okay, that time we take some ingredient, means so जो सामान लेंगे आप, that also you take a measurement, and that one also used in mathematics. We also learn that na 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, 1/4 kg means 250 gram. That one there will measure there na. This one take 250 gram, this one take 50 gram. Understand? Means in the kitchen, there also we use their math. Understand? Now, see, you went to the kitchen, you prepare their Maggi. That time what you do? You see there on packet, how many? One Maggi packet, 1 glass, yeah, 1 cup. You want their water, 1 cup, that is a measurement. This one 50 gram Maggi packet, 1 cup, you want their water. That also, what you call that one? Mathematics. Yes or no? Now, what I say? Math is a pillar of organized life for the present day. We can't resolve many issues in our daily life. Many issues they resolve. Means their addition, subtraction with money. Okay. Yeah, your time in your kitchen, in your study, even TV serial. Yeah, TV. Anyone picture how many hours? There are 3 hours you see na. What do you see? I see there 3 hours television. In that one picture is there na. So I saw there in front of television 3 hours sit there. 3 hours I sit there in front of television. You said na? Okay. There are time, measurement, role, wages, tenders, discount, claims, supplier, job, stock, contract, taxes, both money, exchange, etc. There also we use the math. Means discount. In the anyone shop, you went there. There are 500 rupees dress is there, and what they say, their shopkeeper, I give you 30% discount and you give the money 70%. That one also say na. There also we use the math. Understand? What is the importance of math? It helps explain how things work. It helps whatever there. It helps for develop wisdom. Maths also will develop us in their geometry, algebra, any one topic. That one also will develop us. It helps to make child smart. Make a child smarter. Money can be collected in a math, na? When you use it as profession, professionally you do the job. Yeah, anyone business, that time also you money collected, their money also topic come into the math. It's provide the child with an opportunity to get in the world. It's provide child with the opportunity to get in the world. Means your child math is perfect. Your child maths solving easily. That time in the world they have so big opportunity. Okay, when you go to the bank, any multinational company, there also accountancy, whatever we use, there also we use the math. In environmental science also use the math, because of the two trees, how many oxygen come there, how many oxygen come from that one tree, there also use the, means I give only one example, okay, there also we use the math na. Then cutting, anyone cutting, whatever you use there, we use their math in our life. When you wake up in the morning and when you sleep in the night, that in between period, many times, yeah, a lots of time we use the math. So do perfectly math, children, do perfectly, okay, and not only into the syllabus. You see regularly in our home, you go with your father in the shop, your mother, that time also how to give the money of shopkeeper, how becomes you, that one also use, means you do the practical knowledge, okay. This is the important of maths. Next video we learn their new topics, okay kids. So now I say you bye bye. Next video we'll learn next first, whatever your first topic we'll learn there, okay. Thank you.